Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am bringing you this bomb makeup look I threw together for me and hubby's date night. We went to go see The Lion King. So let's get started. I am going to start with my brows, of course, and I'm using my NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown, and I'm just going to do these pretty quickly. Just going through the sparse areas. You all know the drill. I don't really like to film me doing my brows on camera because my brows just are all over the place all the time, and I'm actually in the stage where I'm trying to grow them out properly. I've been putting castor oil on them every night, y'all, so I'm really trying to be patient. Eventually I want to go get them threaded instead of me continuing to do them on my own at home, because y'all know I struggle. Anyways, I'm going to now start with the eye look. I'm taking my Tarte Pro palette and I'm mixing those two orange tone shades, and I will put all the shades and all the products I use in the down bar, so check that out. But before I get started, I wanted to have a nice sharp edge, so I'm taking my post-it note and using the sticky portion of that post-it note to give me a nice sharp edge when I'm done with my eye look. So I'm just blending these two colors back and forth in the crease as my main crease color / transition shade. And now I'm picking up that fuchsia color and I'm running that into my crease. No, I'm still taking the darker orange shade and running that in my crease. Now I'm taking that beautiful fuchsia pink color and running that through the outer portion of my eyelid and running that into the crease. And then I'm taking a soft matte cream color all over the lid and blending that in with the fuchsia color. I wanted to keep it pretty simple. I didn't want anything too shimmery or anything too girly for this look. Just something simple. But I did take that shimmery shade and use that on the inner corners of my eye, as well as just a touch of it on the center of the eyelid. So as you can see, I'm putting that on the inner corners now. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360 Mocha, and as you all can see, this is way too dark for me. It's too orangey shade for my skin tone. I'm just not there. I'm not this orange, I guess you can say. But I do love the foundation because it's great coverage and it looks really flawless on the skin. And I don't want to buy two foundations from Maybelline to have to mix them to get my proper shade. So what you guys are going to see me do is I am going to be eventually fixing this by using plenty of concealer to highlight my skin. But as you can see, I'm buffing out the rest of the foundation like so. Now, as you can see, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm mixing a little bit of my NYX HD Concealer in the shade Tan, because you all know this was my absolute fave concealer. And I'm blending that in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Under the eyes, I highlight the bridge of my nose, and I'm actually starting to now highlight the center of my forehead. I don't know, I used to never like doing it, but now it's growing on me, so I'm doing that. And you're interrupting my recording. Let me see. So I'm just blending the rest of that out, and I'm going to eventually do the baking method to set everything in place, just so nothing creases and it still looks nice and flawless on the face. And then I'm going back in to highlight my chin because I almost forgot. And then I'm blending out everything with my same brush I use for foundation just to make sure everything blends properly. And then there I go to highlight my forehead, as I mentioned. Now I'm going to look a little crazy, but eventually I'm going to blend it all out. Will you go away? So it looks right. And then I'm taking the It's My RayeRaye palette from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm using that shade Chia, I think is what it's called. It'll be in the down bar, but I'm using that color first to go down to start the baking on my face. And I've really been liking this technique. I've been doing it for the past few weeks now, and it works well every time. And then I put the Dermablend Translucent powder over top of Chia. Now, I just recently picked up the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in the shade Deep from TJ Maxx, you guys. Can you believe that? And it was only $18, which is crazy. So I had to pick it up and try it out because I've never tried it. And here I am just picking whatever shades I feel match me best for contour. And now, as you can see, I'm blending out all the contour while I'm letting the under eye baking set. And then I'm going in now to blend that out like so. And then I'm going in and setting my contour with the Black Radiance contour palette. And then here's a clip of me and my bae being funny.
Nothing.
Okay, moving on. Now I'm going to be applying my LA Girl Pro Gel Liner in black in my waterline. And then I'm taking the Benefit They're Real mascara and applying a coat of that to my lower and upper lashes. And I'm trying something new, but I'm actually trying out wearing false lashes, and I'm slowly starting to like it. I still need to get the hang of it because it's actually harder than it looks to put on fake lashes. So yeah, I'm just putting on one coat of the mascara on my upper lashes, and then the lashes I apply off camera are the Demi Wispies by Ardell. And I'm taking my e.l.f. blush palette in the dark palette, and I'm mixing the two lighter shades like the pink and the peach color for my cheeks. And then I'm using an oldie but a goodie, the Carli Bybel Deluxe palette, and I'm using those last two highlighter shades to highlight my face today. I haven't used this palette in a while for highlighting, so I kind of missed it and thought I would pull it out today. And then to set everything, I'm using my favorite Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm going to fan my face a little bit to let it set quicker. But this pretty much completes my look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, the show was amazing. I recommend it to anybody that lives in Florida. But I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.